Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how you can check battery level of these earbuds. So we got two different ways. The first one, it depends of what kind of the smartphone you are using. So in my private smartphone, on the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, with the almost clear Android version, you'll be able to find the battery level by opening the notification panel. As you can see, it's 100% of the battery, and when I open the Bluetooth settings, there will be also information. But on this smartphone, that's the Honor Magic 4 Pro, as you can see, there's no such information. That's only the name of the device and some kind of the additional features in the settings. So if you have this kind of the phone without this information on the notification panel, you have to use the Huawei AI Live application. As you can see, when you open this application, on the devices will get this information, and when you open the device, it will be even more clear. It's a little bit bigger. So the left it's 100, the right is also 100%, and the case it's 24%. So yeah, as you can see, that's very simple actually. That's how you can check the battery level of your earbuds and also of the case. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.